Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to make shopping cart in PHP with Ajax by using Bootstrap Popover. We have published many video tutorial on shopping cart by using PHP, but now we will implement shopping cart by using Bootstrap Popover. Here we will display cart details under Bootstrap Popover. That means when we have add item into cart, then that details will be displayed under Bootstrap Popover plugin. We will use Ajax for creating shopping cart, then we will add item into cart without refresh of web page. Now let's start discussing this topics. So this is our test database, and under this we have one product table with column like ID, name, image, and price. Under this table we have already inserted some item data for display product on web page for add item into cart. This is our index page, and on this page we have already included JavaScript library and Bootstrap library. We will use functionality of both library for make this shopping cart. Here we have already write Bootstrap nav bar source code for display header menu. Under this Bootstrap nav bar we have write division tag with ID is equal to navbar cart. Under this we will display shopping cart with total amount of cart. Under this we have write in order list with class is equal to nav and nav bar nav. Under this we have write list tag, and in list tag we have write anchor tag with ID is equal to cart popover, data placement is equal to bottom, and title is equal to shopping cart. Here we have defined one anchor tag. So when we have click on this tag, Bootstrap Popover will be slide down on web page on bottom of this tag with title shopping cart. Under this anchor tag we have write span class is equal to badge. Under this class we will display total number of item added into cart. After this we have again write span tag with attribute class is equal to total price. Under this class we will display total of cart. Now here we have write division tag with ID is equal to popover content wrapper with style is equal to display none. We will convert this tag into Bootstrap Popover. Under this we have write span tag with ID is equal to cart details. Under this tag we will display shopping cart item in table format. Below this we have write anchor tag with ID is equal to checkout cart. By click on this button we can check out from cart and proceed for next step. Same way for clear whole shopping cart we have write anchor tag with ID is equal to clear cart. By click on this cart we remove all item from cart. Lastly here we have write division tag with ID is equal to display item. Under this tag we will list item for add into cart button. Now we have moved to write Jquery code. First we want to load product with add to cart button on web page, so here we have make load product function. Under this function we have write Ajax Request, and under this first we have write URL option set to fetch item.php. Here we have send request to this page. In second option we have write method, and here we have write post. We have use post method for send data to server. After this we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function we have write $ with division tag id display item with HTML method, and under this we have write data. This method will display product on web page with add to cart button. Now we have moved to write PHP code, so first we have make database connection. So here we have write $connect variable is equal to new to class. With 3 argument like MySQL host set to localhost, database name set to test, username set to root, and password set to blank. Now we have go to fetch item.php page, and here we have write include database connection.php. This code will make database connection. After this we have write $query variable is equal to select star from product table order by ID in descending order. Below this we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $query variable. This statement make query for execution. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $statement variable with execute method. If query successfully run, then it will execute if block of code. After this we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write $result variable as $row variable. After this we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write $result variable as $row variable. Under this loop we have write $output, and under this variable we have append HTML code in which first we want to display product image. So we have write image tag with attribute source is equal to images folder / $row image variable. Below this image we want to display product name, so we have write $row name variable. Same way we want to display product price, so we have write $price variable. After this we have write input type is equal to text with name is equal to quantity, ID is equal to quantity plus $row ID variable for generate unique ID name, and value is equal to 1. Under this user can define number of quantity for particular item which he want to add into cart. Now we have write input type is equal to hidden name is equal to hidden name ID is equal to name plus $row ID variable, and value is equal to $row name variable. Here we have store product name under hidden field. After this we have write input type is equal to hidden, name is equal to hidden price, ID is equal to price. $row ID variable, and value is equal to $row price variable. Here we have store particular product price under hidden field. Lastly we have write input type is equal to button, name is equal to add to cart, ID is equal to $row ID variable. By click on this button user can add particular item into cart. This way we have store product list data in $output variable. Now we want to send to Ajax request, so we have write echo statement with $output variable. Now we have go to index page and called load product variable function, so when page has been load into browser then this function has been called. Friends, here we can see when page has been load into browser, then we can see item on web page with add to cart button, and above list of item we can see shopping cart symbol. When we have add item into cart, then here we can total of whole shopping cart, and when we have click on this symbol then we can see whole shopping cart. Now we have go to index page and we have make another load cart data function. This function will return shopping cart details on web page. Under this function we have start write Ajax request, and under this first we have write URL option set to fetch cart.php. We have send request to this URL. In second option we have write method set to post. Here we have use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data type, and here we have write JSON. Here we will receive data in JSON format. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this cart we have write $ with division tag ID cart details with HTML method, and under this we have write data.cart details. This code will display shopping cart details under this tag. Below this we have write $ with span tag class total price with text method, and under this we have write data.total price. This code will display total of whole cart under this tag. After this we have write $ with span tag class badge with text method, and under this we have write data.total item. This code will display total number of item which we have added into cart. Now we have moved to write PHP code on fetch cart.php page, and on this page first we have write session start function. This function will start session on this page. Below this we have defined two variable like $total price and total item is equal to 0. After this we have write $output variable is equal to division tag with attribute is equal to order table. After this we have start write table tag with first table column like product name, quantity, price of product, total amount of particular product, and action. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write not empty function, and under this we have write $session shopping cart variable. This condition will check if this $session shopping cart variable is not blank, then it will execute if block of code, otherwise it will execute else block of code. Suppose we have already include some item into cart, then this variable is not blank and it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have write for each loop with $session shopping cart variable as $keys and $value. Under this we have write $output variable, and under this variable we have append table HTML code. Here we have defined one table row, and in this we have write first table data tag, and between this we have write $value product name variable. It will print product name under this column. In second column we want to display quantity, so here we have write $values product quantity variable. For display product price we have write third table data tag, and under this we have write $values product price variable. Same way for display total amount of particular product, so we have defined table data tag, and between this we have write $values product quantity variable into $values product price variable. Lastly, for remove button, we have write button with name is equal to delete, class is equal to delete, ID is equal to $values product ID variable. By click on this button we can remove particular item from shopping cart. Now here we have write $total price variable is equal to $total price plus $values product quantity into $values product price. This code will calculate total of whole shopping cart. Below this we have write $total item is equal to $total item plus 1. Here we have increased this variable value by 1, which return number of item add into shopping cart. After this we have again write $output variable, and in this we have append HTML table code, and here we have write $total price variable. It will display total of whole shopping cart. This way we have store shopping cart details in HTML table format, which we have store under $output variable. Now we have write $data variable is equal to array, and in this first key we have write cart details value get from $output variable. After this we have write total price key with value get from $total price variable. And lastly we have write total item key with value get from $total item variable. So this way we have store data in $data variable in array format. Now we want send this data to Ajax Request, so we have write echo statement with JSON encode function with $data variable. This will convert PHP array into JSON encoded string. Now we have go to index page and we have called load cart data function. So when page has been loaded, this function will called and it will display cart data on web page. Now we want to initialize Bootstrap Popover on web page when we have click on anchor tag with ID cart Popover, which we define under navbar. So here we have write $with anchor tag ID cart Popover with popover method. By using this method we can initialize Bootstrap Popover plugin. Under this we have write HTML option set to true, that means we can fill Popover body by HTML code, and in second option container set to body. After this we have write content callback function, and under this function we have write return statement with division tag ID popover content wrapper.html method. First we have refresh page, and now we have click on shopping cart, then Popover slide down on web page, and under this we can see shopping cart with 0 item added into cart with checkout and clear button. Now we have moved to write code of add item into shopping cart by using Ajax in PHP. So here we have write document with on method, and under this we have write click event with button class add to cart. So when we have click on add to cart button, then this code will execute. Under this we have write product ID variable is equal to $this with attribute method, and under this we have write ID. This code will fetch value from ID attribute. Below this we have write product name variable is equal to with hidden tag ID name with product ID variable with value method. Here we have fetch value of item name from hidden name variable. After this we have write product price variable is equal to with hidden price tag ID price with product ID variable with value method. Here we have fetch value of item price from hidden price variable. Same way we have write product quantity variable is equal to with quantity text box ID quantity with product ID variable with value method. Here we have fetch value of quantity text box. Below this we have write action variable is equal to add. Here we have define action add. Here we have set add item into shopping cart. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write product quantity variable value is greater than 0. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. But suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and under this we have write alert with message like please enter number of quantity. But suppose above condition true, then it will execute if block of code, and under this we have start write Ajax request, and under this we have write URL option set to action.php. In second option we have write method option, and here we have write post. That means we will use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data option, and in this we can define which data we want send to server. So here we have write product ID, product name, product price, product quantity, and action variable which data we have send to server. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully. Under this we have called load cart data function. This function will display latest shopping cart details on web page. Lastly under this we have write alert statement with message like item has been added into cart. Now we have moved to write PHP code at action.php page, and on this page first we write session start function. This function will start session on this page. Below this we have write if statement, and condition we have write is set function, and under this we have write $post action variable. If this variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post action variable value is equal to add. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Here we will store shopping cart data into one session variable, so we can access that data in system from any page. So here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write is set function with $session shopping cart variable. This condition will check if this variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code. But suppose we have add first item into cart, that means the session shopping cart value will not be set, and it will execute else block of code. So here we have write $item array variable is equal to array with product ID key value get from $post product ID variable, product name key value get from $post product name variable. Same way product price key value get from $post product price variable and product quantity key value get from $post product quantity variable. This way we have store product data into this $item array variable. Now we have write $session shopping cart variable is equal to $item array variable. So here we have store $item array data into the session shopping cart variable. But suppose we have already item added into cart and we have again add item into cart, that means $session shopping cart variable already created and it will execute if block of code. So here first we have defined $is available variable is equal to 0. This variable value will be increase if we have add same product 2 or more time. First we want to check particular product we have already added into cart or not. If we have already added into cart, then we have to just increase particular product quantity in cart. For this we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write $session shopping variable as $keys variable with $values variable. Under this loop we have write if statement and condition we have write $session shopping cart variable with $keys index with product ID variable is equal to $post product ID variable. This condition will value of particular product ID which we have add into cart, is already added into cart or not. If $post product ID variable value is match with cart product, that means we have already particular item added into cart. So we have do not want to add again particular product into cart, but we have to just increase quantity of particular product. So here we have write $is available variable value increase by 1. For increase particular cart product quantity, we have write $session shopping cart variable $keys index product quantity is equal to $session shopping cart $keys index product quantity variable plus $post product quantity variable. This code will increase particular product quantity with value of $post product quantity variable. After this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $is available variable value is equal to 0. This condition will true if we have not add same product into shopping cart. Under this block we have write $item array variable is equal to array with product ID key value get from $post product ID variable, product name key value get from $post product name variable. Same way product price key value get from $post product price variable and product quantity key value get from $post product quantity variable. This way we have store product data into this $item array variable. Now we have write $session shopping cart variable is equal to $item array variable. So here we have store $item array data into the session shopping cart variable. This way we can add item into shopping cart. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh page, and after this we can see different product on web page with add to cart button, and above product we can see shopping cart with 0. Now we have add one product into cart. After this we have received item added into cart. After this, in cart we can see one item in cart with total price of whole shopping cart. Now we have click on shopping cart, then we can see shopping cart has been slide down on web page, which is Bootstrap Popover, and under this we can see item details which we have added into cart. Here we can see checkout and clear cart button also. If we want to remove particular item from cart, then we can do by clicking on this remove button. Now we want to remove particular item from cart, so here we have write $document with on method, and under this we have right click event with remove button class delete. So when we have click on remove button, then this code will execute. Under this we have write product ID variable is equal to $this with attribute method, and under this we have write ID. This code will fetch value of ID attribute. Below this we have write action variable is equal to remove. Here we have define action of remove of particular item from cart. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write confirm pop-up message like are you sure you want to remove this product. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write Ajax request, and under this first we have write URL option is equal to action.php. Here we have send request to this page. In second option we have write method option, and under this we have write post. That means we have use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data option. Here we can define which data we want send to server. So here we have write product ID variable and action variable. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completes successfully. Under this function we have called load cart data function. This function will fetch latest shopping cart data on web page. After this we want to hide Bootstrap Popover. We have write $with Papaver ID cart Papaver with Papaver method, and under this we have write hide. This code will hide Bootstrap Popover on web page. Lastly we have write alert statement, and under this we have write item has been removed from cart. This message will pop up on web page. Now we have go to action.php page, and here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post action variable value is equal to remove. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write for each $session shopping cart variable as $keys variable with $values variable. Under this loop we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $values product ID variable is equal to $post product ID variable. If this condition true, then it will execute if block code. Under this block we have write unset function, and under this we have write $session shopping cart variable $keys variable. This function will destroy particular session variable. After this we have go to index page, and here we have write $with document selector with on method, and under this we have write click event with clear button ID clear cart. So when we have click on clear cart button, then this code will execute. Under this first we have write action variable is equal to empty. After this we have start write Ajax request for clear cart. So first we have write URL option set to action.php. In second option we have write method, and here we have write post. Here we have use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data option. In this option we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have write action variable. Lastly we have write success callback function. If request completed successfully, then this function has been called. Under this we have called load cart data function. This function will display latest shopping cart details on web page. After this we want to hide Bootstrap Popover, so we have write $ with Papaver ID cart Papaver with Papaver method, and under this we have write hide. This code will hide Bootstrap Popover. Lastly we want to pop up message, so we have write alert with message like your cart has been clear. Now we have moved to write PHP code, and here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post action variable is equal to empty. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write unset function, and under this we have write $session shopping cart variable. This code will destroy the session shopping cart variable. Now friends, first we have refresh page, and on web page we can see one item has been added into cart. After refresh of web page also we can see shopping cart data, because this data has been stored in session variable. Now we want to add one more item into shopping cart, so we have click on particular add to cart button, and this item has been added into cart, which we can see in Bootstrap Popover. After this we want to remove one item from shopping cart, so we have click on that item row remove button. After this Papaver has been hide from web page. So here we can also see total price of shopping cart has been decrease and total number of item has been change. Now we have again click on shopping cart, then we can see only one item in our cart and one has been removed from cart. Here we can see item name, quantity, price, and total price of cart also. Now we have add two more item in our cart. Now we can see three item in our cart, and here can see total price of cart in two side. One is in Papaver and second we can see on header menu also. Now we want to remove all item from cart, so we have click on click button. After click on clear button. After click on clear button shopping cart, all item has been removed from cart, and we can see 0 item in our cart and total price of cart goes to 0. For checkout from cart we can simply click on this checkout button, which code we will not discuss here because here we have discussed how to make shopping cart by using Bootstrap Popover with PHP and Ajax. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, and if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.